Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the treble crochet or the triple crochet, some might call it. This stitch is taller than the single crochet and the double crochet. It is mostly used in patterns, open designs, and is often seen in shawls, blankets, and other lightweight projects. And here is how to crochet the stitch. For this video, I'm using a medium yarn, weight number 4, a 4mm crochet hook, of course, my handy pair of scissors. So we're going to start off with a foundation chain. So you can use as many stitches as you need for your foundation chain. I'm going to start off with 10. Slip knot. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure it's not too tight. To do a treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice. Go to the 5th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go through the upper loop and also the back bump. Yarn over through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 5 will count as a treble crochet. Yarn over twice into your stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and you yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And you continue. Yarn twice, yarn over twice into your stitch, yarn over, pull through your stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and you continue till the end. Now we have our first row completed. We need to do the second row. To do this, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We chain 4 because we're going to be counting this as a triple crochet. If you do not want to count this as a triple crochet, normally you will only do 3 chains. Third turn, then you start your triple crochet again, but into the second stitch, this one here. The first one is part of your triple crochet because we're counting it. So we're going to start in this stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and then you continue. Yarn over twice into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2, and you do this till the end of your row. So we're not finished yet. Since we did say that this counts as a treble crochet, you also need to do a treble crochet into the top of the 4 chain. And this is a little bit harder to see, to visualize, or to get. Here are your 2 loops, this one and this one. So you need to grab both. So I've got one, and then you turn it towards you, so you grab both. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. I think I have it. Yeah, I've gone through both loops. So into your stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, and you continue like this for as many rows as you need. And here's is my sample that I made, and this is our treble crochet. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.